Alright, what I've done here is I've cut a piece of vinyl just a bit large, a little larger than the Dash Fascia. You notice I've taken all the dials out, taken the headlight switch out, taken the vents out. Anything that I could remove I've taken out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a coat of paint on all the ridges and then lay the vinyl down over it. Press down to make an impression on the back of the vinyl and then cut it out and glue it up. So I've got this X-Acto knife, trying to be very meticulous, cutting these areas out, trying to stay on the outside of the line. Right now I'm cutting out the seat belt warning light. Relatively steady hand. Alright, I'm going to use this to paint the edge trim. I've already sanded and cleaned it up a bit. All the glue is off there. So what I've done here is I laid the vinyl out in preparation for gluing, and it looks pretty darn good. It's not glued down, but the cutout is excellent. So I've got one little area to trim up here. Just have to trim it just a little. That's a really tight area anyway. And everywhere else it just fits very nicely. So I'm going to give this silver edge a chance to really harden and trim this one area here, and glue it on. Alright, I've been busy gluing this vinyl on this fascia, and it came out pretty good. Couple areas I had to trim, and you know, the fascia base is not new, so it's not perfect, but certainly is a heck of a lot better than what it was, which was, you know, the stuff peeling off. And so there you have it. I think it's going to be perfectly acceptable to install right now. You know, kind of you see every little defect, but once it's in the car, I think it'll be just fine.